So, if you're running an immigration agency, you know the deal. It's this incredibly complex world, right? High stakes, constantly changing rules, and just a mountain of details for every single person you're helping. Honestly, just keeping it all straight isn't just part of the job, it's the whole challenge.
Okay, let's be real for a second. Does this feel familiar? I'm talking about the endless forms, chasing down documents, double-checking checklists, making sure every single little detail is absolutely perfect. It's mission critical for sure, but wow, can it get overwhelming fast?
And that's not even half the battle, is it? You've got your clients, they're understandably anxious, they've got a million questions, and they're desperate for updates. Trying to manage all those emails and phone calls to keep everyone in the loop, it's essential for trust, but it can completely drain your team's day.
So what if it didn't have to be this chaotic? What if there was one single platform built from the ground up to handle every part of the process? Well, that's exactly where Immigo comes in. So this is Immigo. And look, this is not just another off-the-shelf CRM. It's a complete management platform designed specifically for the unique, complex world of immigration. The promise is actually pretty simple: to make your entire workflow simpler, smoother, and more secure, from that very first phone call all the way to a successful visa.
What I really like about this is that it lays out the why behind it all. These are the 6 big goals that Immigo is built to hit. It's all about working smarter to boost efficiency, giving clients the clarity they crave, and using your own data to make better decisions, all while making sure their incredibly sensitive information stays locked down.
All right, that all sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work day to day? Let's peel back the curtain and take a quick look at how Immigo helps you master that whole client journey from start to finish.
First up, this is a total game changer for your clients, the client portal. Think about it. Instead of them calling you for the 3rd time asking for an update, they get their own secure, private login. They can see their case status anytime, 24/7, upload documents, see their payment history, and message you right there.
And I love this because it shows the two sides of the same coin perfectly. Over on the left, you've got the admin dashboard. That's your agency's cockpit, giving your team total control. And on the right, you see the client's view. Clean, simple, and totally transparent. 2 different experiences, all powered by one connected system.
So, the magic is really in how it all fits together into one smooth workflow. It just follows a simple, logical path. You bring on a new client, you create their case, you manage all their docs, track payments, and handle all the back and forth, all inside one platform. Let's see what that actually looks like.
It all starts right here in your new command center. Forget digging through a dozen different spreadsheets. Every single client is organized in one spot. It's all searchable, giving you that instant bird's-eye view of everyone you're working with.
Now, let's drill down a bit to the cases list. This is your team's mission control. You can see every single case, its exact status, whether it's incomplete or already submitted, and exactly who on your team owns it. That kind of at-a-glance clarity is just huge for managing the daily workload.
All right, let's talk about one of the biggest headaches for any agency: documents. Immigo just solves this. A client uploads a document, it pops up right here in a queue for your team. You can review it, approve it, or send it back with notes. It's a clean, simple process that puts an end to the chaos of email attachments.
And of course, the money side of things is just as critical. Immigo makes finances totally transparent. Your clients can see a clear history of every single payment they've made. This just erases any confusion and goes a long way in building that all-important trust.
But here's the thing. Immigo isn't just about managing the day-to-day grind. It's also about helping you build a smarter business. So now, let's look at how it helps you turn all your raw data into actual, actionable insights.
So let me ask you a quick question. Right now, how do you really know how your agency is performing? I mean, beyond just a gut feeling. Are you still trying to piece it all together from different spreadsheets? Because getting real-time insights is a true game changer.
Well, this right here is the answer. The reports dashboard is basically your business's health monitor. From this one screen, you can dive into detailed reports on your finances, your case progress, your team's performance, you name it.
For instance, check out the financial report. This is way more than just a list of transactions. You can actually see your revenue trends. And even better, you can instantly spot all your outstanding balances. Imagine improving your cash flow without having to play detective, just by looking at one clear report. That's powerful stuff.
And this is where things get really smart. The case progress report is like having a business analyst on your team. It doesn't just show you data, it gives you answers.
It can tell you, hey, your study permit cases are taking 15% longer than your other cases. That insight lets you fix a problem before it becomes a crisis. You get to be proactive, not just reactive.
So, you see? When you put all these pieces together, the smooth client journey, the clear communication, the smart analytics, what you get isn't just a small improvement. It's a complete transformation of how your agency operates.
And you know, this quote really says it all. This isn't just about tweaking a few things here and there. It's about fundamentally redesigning how an immigration agency works in the modern world.
So let's just boil it down to the big wins. You get one platform for everything. No more juggling tools. You give your clients a way better, more transparent experience. You cut down on mistakes with automation. You keep data safe. You make smarter decisions, and you finally have a system that can actually grow with you.
When it comes right down to it, it's a pretty clear choice. You've got the old way, a chaotic mess of spreadsheets and endless emails. And then you have the Immigo way, a single source of truth, where everything just works together and you are firmly in control.
So, that brings us to the final question. After seeing how you can centralize your operations, empower your clients, and get the insights you need to grow, are you ready to transform your agency's future?